In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of converting MBOX files to PST format, using the BitRecover MBOX to PST Converter software. To install our MBOX to PST Conversion tool, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with Select File or Select Folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Select the folder or folders containing the MBOX files you wish to convert. Then, click the Select Folder option below. This box will display the path of the selected folder. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select individual files or an entire folder that you want to convert. Click Next. Select a saving option allows you to save the file in your desired format for conversion. Let's select PST option for this tutorial. Separate PST per MBOX option creates individual PST files per MBOX file. Check or uncheck it accordingly. The Split PST option divides MBOX files and creates new PST files based on the assigned file size. Check or uncheck it accordingly. Change language option to choose the language for the exported file. The destination path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Our tool provides filter options to precise the conversion. Check on Use Advanced Settings for filter saving options. Here user can see multiple export options to be included or excluded in exported PST files, such as date range, from, to, subject, exclude folders. Root folder lets you set a name for the main folder in the output PST file. Default is migrated. Exclude attachments. Use client submit time uses the time the email was submitted by the client instead of received time. Create PST per year wise. Create separate PST files for each year based on email dates. Import or export settings lets you save or load your filter settings. After selecting the filter options, it's time for the conversion process. Simply click the Convert button, and the conversion process will begin. Once the conversion is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that the conversion was successful. Click OK to open the destination folder and access the newly converted files. You have successfully converted MBOX files using the BitRecover MBOX to PST Converter software. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.